Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
And this is Prashasti Singh.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with
No edits.
So you're going to go to London, but right now, India, are you doing your Hindi language comedy?
Yeah.
Not right now.
You're like Maniratnam of comedy, man. You're
What?
like doing two languages and releasing it together.
I hope Maniratnam
Oh my
doesn't
God.
watch it.
Mani Ratnam of comedy is... Mani Ratnam's never done a comedy,
I
right?
know. I don't think so.
So at least y'all are staying, like,
In
y'all are not
different-
Yeah,
overlapping.
Sticking to our lanes, huh? Otherwise, who knows what will happen.
Acha. So, but
But
you're not...
India, mein abhi, I was doing some shows where I had to record a bit. But now I think India shows would typically be in March, April. Like once
Okay.
I come back from US.
Whoa! Huge announcement.
That's a flex, guys. मैं 3 साल से fight मार रही
UK and then US, right after.
London, just London.
Yeah.
Outside.
Then,
And US.
yeah.
And then you'll do the same show again, or you'll release the whole show? What's
I'm
the plan?
thinking that I'll after US I'll probably do a round of metro cities and then record like the special I've not recorded yet. So I'm
Okay.
thinking कि एक round करते करते I'll record it also.
Okay, nice,
And then somewhere in the middle of the year release it. That's the
That's
plan.
nice. Yeah, man. We'll come back to the comedy talk, but I want to start with something that's happened to me recently. Because there's so many scams happening, right? India mein scam is matlab it's always happening.
True.
Yeah, it's happening.
In a way, a podcast is a scam, but we won't get into that.
No,
That's like a different kind of scam.
that's not.
I've been getting messages from different numbers called Amazon Shipping. Like they have Amazon Shipping in their thumbnail. And WhatsApp messages saying...
Thumbnail? Okay, WhatsApp.
WhatsApp DP, sorry.
Okay,
not
okay,
thumbnail.
got it.
And they're like, a package worth $4.99 is waiting to be delivered to you. It's some Japanese shampoo. I have never ordered
Oh.
Japanese shampoo or shampoo online.
What
to
if
be
it's a
honest.
fan?
But I have to pay. It's cash on delivery.
Oh.
So
What
what
if it's a
fan
poor
makes
fan?
me buy? Also, it's 499 rupees. So it's like almost feels like, okay, I'll just buy it.
Yeah.
But I'm just worried. Why are they? I've been even called today morning. This morning they said.
From the same Japanese shampoo only or some
no,
other
Amazon
thing?
shipping. They're saying, yeah,
Okay.
it's the same thing. They're saying so and so from Amazon shipping. Your package you have ordered. I said no, and then they hung up. So I don't know how there's not enough information to be scammed yet. I don't think I've given them.
But they have not told the brand of the shampoo. They just say the country of origin.
no, brand also they've told.
Okay.
But you're sure it's a scam? It's not like some
yeah,
not
Japanese
sure.
shampoo is a good scam.
I'm not sure. I'm really not
Because
sure.
Japanese people.
What if at the end of the scam you get a 499 rupee Japanese shampoo?
Yeah.
That is the best scam to get caught in. I'll say I have been scammed. I'll tell you the name. It's there. Gopinath Enterprises.
Gopinath.
Gopinath Enterprise. The I
Enterprise.
is
Oh,
missing.
that's the
the
Japanese
other
part.
side.
But कितना like low on ambition scam
Yeah,
है अगर.
Gopinath Enterprises.
And like,
So I don't know. Am I being scammed? I'm so worried now to be like a victim of a scam that I'm blocking legitimate numbers sometimes. When my mom is calling, I'm like, how do I know it's you? Really? You know? Send me the OTP.
Yeah. I operate like that in life also.
Yeah, right?
Just
Have you been scammed?
I have been almost like my mother was in the middle of
A
getting
scam.
scammed and then I was about to participate.
Okay.
Oh.
It was as basic as someone. My mother has this thing: if a message comes, कि KYC डालना है, she gets very paranoid.
Yeah.
Oh, KYC
These
डालना
things
है.
make
Yeah, so
all
it's a cliched scam that someone's saying कि आपका number block हो जाएगा, KYC डालना. And while I'm doing a Zoom show, this is during the
COVID
pandemic.
time.
So I am in my house in Lucknow. I'm literally performing, and my mother is coming बार-बार and saying कि something.
Yeah.
And I'm literally like, this is a show.
wow.
It's a corporate show.
While she's ready to
And-
give up all the savings.
Yeah, and at some point, it was so well orchestrated in so many. Then finally, I'm so fried
Yeah.
that she comes to me to say that I can't make the payment. Can you make the payment through this thing? And I'm so fried because I want to not engage. And I'm almost about to, I'm almost about to, okay, whatever it is.
Yeah.
And when it starts saying, okay, it's not going through, can you give a screenshot or
Yeah,
something?
that's when you know.
I was like, oh, my corporate show is on, but this also is a scam.
Yeah.
So we,
They
were
do that
earning-
thing of urgency.
Yeah, that's what they
They're like,
create urgency.
you have to do it now, otherwise they will
Yeah.
stop
Now
knowing
it's
you.
over. But I like that you were earning money and losing it at the same
Same
time. You're doing corporate income outflow. Maybe the same amount if they steal.
Yeah.
Today was a net zero day.
Like most days.
Yeah, zero sum game. But yeah, this urgency thing is crazy. And the other thing is, as a person who has been involved in a scam on the victim side.
Why would you
Yeah,
phrase it
you
like
have?
that?
Yeah, as in I was not the one being scammed, but I was in the room when my friend got scammed.
Oh.
Oh, I think I know
You
about
know,
this
he's a
one.
comedian only. And anyone who's never been scammed, you have no right to speak because everyone there's an arrogance about people
Yeah.
when they've not been
Yeah, yeah,
attacked.
yeah,
That
yeah.
I would never fall
Yeah.
for. But it's not your education. It is fundamental human
Social engineering.
Yeah, social
Yeah.
engineering. They get to the core of who you are as a human, and
Yeah.
they really.
Something they do. I don't know if I've told you when I was working in Bangalore. One of my colleagues, okay, like I think a couple of years younger to me, came to office. Okay, sat down. Okay, holding his head, and said someone on the road stopped him and sold him an iPhone for 10K, and we're like, what? They're like, yeah, they were, he's like, I can't explain. I can't
Yeah.
explain, but
They
it
got
was
me.
very
They
urgent.
got him.
They just made this thing. And then I was like, I don't have cash.
Yeah.
They came to me to the ATM. They kept saying,
Yes.
कि हमारा custom का ये है. And then I was like, but SIM card. Then they came to me with the Vodafone, whatever shop, put the SIM card. Then he comes to office with his 10K phone, open it, it's a soap bar.
Oh no.
No.
It's rain, okay.
Did the soap bar have a SIM card slot?
You know this thing I said that you should not be arrogant. I am feeling arrogant right now about this. I'm like, this
Yeah.
I would not fall for. So
But we kept repeating, and because that time scams were so not in our lives.
That's
It was an
true.
offline scam that all of us were like, you know, in the cafeteria, yeah,
yeah, this is
Yeah.
the first to market advantage of the scammer. They can
Yeah.
get you big when you start early. That's for sure.
Yeah. But
I've been. This kind of street thing has happened to me in a smaller version where they took a donation from me for a cause I didn't understand, and I gave money
Oh.
because they get like he came with this energy and I was they sense who's zoned out while walking.
Yeah.
I was in
Yeah,
another zone
yeah.
thinking of some work, and he took my hand and he took me, and I had signed my name when I realized I've just given him. It was not a big amount, like whatever $500 I gave.
Yeah, it's a lot of money,
And then
man.
I'm like,
One
what
rupee
am I-
more than the Japanese shampoo. Yeah.
That's right. That's why I won't fall for it again.
That number is a trigger number.
If that man didn't take that 500 from me today, I would be buying that Japanese shampoo. But I keep all my accounts in life.
But this is also a skill, I feel. Then no, okay, it's a skill.
a
Like
skill.
you earned it out of me in a way.
So you're proud of when you're like,
No, I'm not proud. Like what we do.
I appreciate it. It's
what
a
we
skill.
do, what we do. We have our skills. They have their skills.
Yeah,
is what I
fair.
feel.
Respect.
No, we're not doing that equation of like, oh, we are also doing a scam.
Everyone's got to earn a living.
Yeah.
It's fine.
No,
Have
sorry
you been
about that,
scammed
guys.
or attempt?
Attempt is there always. Attempts are always there.
Yeah,
But
the-
your
like-
body language says that you sort of are judging all the people who get scammed.
No,
Yeah?
I have no
Yeah?
no judgment. It can happen to me also. But
never.
I
I'll
have,
tell you what it is. It's just so rampant now, scamming in India, that it's a genuine problem. Any real call I have, like with
Yeah.
Policy Bazaar, I have a real call. I'm never fully agreeing that this is the real Policy Bazaar person.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So then they have to send an email. I have to see the email. I'm like, what if the email, maybe the one letter extra policy mail?
Yeah.
I check for that.
Guys, my bank, I don't
Yeah.
talk to them on the phone.
Yeah.
I
No.
just walk to my bank. or go to my-
Whenever I'm
Yeah.
logging into my bank also, I check the URL like some
Yeah.
100 times. I
Yeah,
have to check
yeah,
it.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
it's HTTPS and all those things.
I
I do
know.
security certificate. I
Yeah.
read
And
through
I
it.
think that's the way to be
Yeah.
because
Yeah, otherwise you'll get scammed. Now you have to do, I think you have to do video call with my bank manager. There should be one manager and I have to video call. so I know
Dude,
what's
people are dressing up as police and
That's true.
getting
Digital
you.
arrest.
oh, in that one, I judge so much. Okay, every time I
That
hear
I
about the
judge.
digital arrest, I'm talking to my friends ki, how do I
How do you
sympathize?
not hang up?
How do you
Yeah.
not? How do you not?
You can just cut the call and say it got disconnected. So even if you're falling for the scam, you can cut it.
Yeah,
you know
but
what I'm
I'm
saying?
guessing it's again arrogance on our part that
Yeah, it's
I'm guessing they do something because very normal IQ people also.
Yeah.
No, but the thing is that, like you said, right? Like IVRS, the whole robotic voice has become associated with scam because any flight delay
Yeah.
comes through IVRS only. It's like, and they take their own time. Hello.
Yeah.
This is a call from
Yeah.
Indigo. Like, to tell fast.
By
I
the
would have
time
cut it by now.
your plane is leaving, by the time the call has ended.
So it's like you can't like
Yeah.
I don't know Indigo what they're saying. They're like flight is delayed. If you want to
Yeah.
make it take off on time, pay
Yeah,
500 to
yeah.
this number. Blah. All right.
I have to say the whole gate change thing, which they do it always too late. Like
Yeah.
when I see the message, by then I already know because I have checked something. It's
Yeah.
never come to me in a text and I'm like, oh,
yeah.
I already knew. That's
Yeah.
how slow the message comes.
What a problem to have.
I'm sorry, this is like recent.
Yeah,
so
like, yeah.
I'm like, gate change. And I was like, dude, I'm at the gate. I've been here for 15 minutes.
You're very
I'm like,
angry
you
with
know,
the system.
I've always seen this happen, but I'm
Yeah.
all like,
You don't
oh,
care.
they also sent.
Yeah, exactly. It's more of follow
Oh,
up.
so sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
They also sending. I forget.
Oh, that's
it's
a
their
nice way to take
responsibility.
it. I will never take it in the good
But I
way.
know, but the thing is that I just don't like. I don't trust air travel. Like today morning, I'm leaving on Friday morning, and I was like, okay, cool. You know, why stay here one more night? Thursday night, I'm done with work. Thursday night, I'll just book a flight out.
Yeah.
Morning, I checked. It was 5K to change the flight. 4K to change the flight. Cool. And I had to just confirm something else got timing is there. Checked all that, came back, checked 13K it became.
Oh,
I was
yeah.
like,
Yeah.
you know
painful.
that I want it now.
They did this.
That's why
They did
I'll
that on
sleep here.
purpose.
I don't
But
care.
in my case, though, it's literally I've checked the price for say one ticket. I'm booking a vacation for my family, 3 of us. So I literally checked like, okay, this is 7K for
Yeah.
one ticket. Okay. Then I've gone back to check something else. Come back, it's 10K,
Yeah.
and now it's like my price is 3K
Yeah.
into
yes,
3.
Yeah.
Yes, and that's
I mean, how you know?
They're playing on that game that next time I check it's going to be 15K
Yeah.
per head. So right now let
Dude,
me
that,
book it.
a very funny reel. I forgot the creator, but someone she put out a reel saying that this is my hack for booking cheap flight tickets. First, 1 month before the trip, I check the number. It'll be $100. Don't book then. Just wait. 2 weeks before I check, it's $150. Don't book
Don't
then.
book.
Wait. 2 days before, it's $250. Book it.
How did that help? I love it. I love when they waste our time on Instagram like
But the
that.
thing is, we also do. For me, also sometimes, like I like spending money. Okay,
Yeah.
I really am in a stage of life right now where I can. But when online booking is involved,
Yeah.
I love to like delay. it.
Yeah.
I love.
Because
I'm
it's
like,
the
why do I
steps.
do this?
Yeah.
It's the steps. It is just like they have not made it easy. They're just like you have to put your name. You have to say, "Oh, are you carrying fire?
Yeah,
Are you
yeah.
packing fire in your bag today?" I'm like, "No, I'm not
Yeah,
packing
how
fire."
about why can't they give me one where until I say otherwise, I am never carrying it?
Yeah.
I'm checking this for all flights from
Yeah.
now.
Are
And if
you-
I have it by chance, put me in jail.
Are you carrying your
immediately.
rocket launcher to
Yeah.
Mumbai?
No.
No,
Like
no,
I
no,
never
not-
carry it.
Not this time.
I leave my rocket launcher in Bangalore. I never carry it. I'm scared it'll get damaged on the way.
Same thing. This is all air booking. I delay till the end. This time
Yeah.
also, and the number of times I was told,
Yeah.
change your ticket, change your ticket. I was like, I'm Indigo Blue Chip Tier 2 guys. Don't worry. They'll take care of me.
One of the top tiers of Indigo.
Yeah.
That's like AC2 tires.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
what that is. But I have this new, very specific thing I'm doing, which is kind of morbid, which is I like to look out of the window before the plane takes off and see if they are putting a dead body on that plane. Because many planes carry a corpse. I don't know if you
Really?
know this. It's very common.
Even passenger planes? Like
yeah,
regular?
all the
huh?
time. All the time they carry corpses.
Where do you buy? Make My Trip, that option is not there.
It's like in that thing you're checking the box, there's one dead body.
Make his
thing
trip or make her trip it is. It's not your own
Make
trip.
that.
Make that, yeah, make
Like
that
often
trip.
corpses have to be transported
Yeah.
and they put it on planes all the time. I saw a reel recently of a man recording it from his window and he said,
And then you started, and now we'll start.
there's a curiosity now. You know, it's a sick curiosity. There's nothing to gain from it. But
Yeah.
I'm just like,
Yeah.
there is already a casualty on this plane.
That'll be hilarious, right? If anything happens to it, they'll be like, there were 250 passengers, 251 dead body.
The case of the
Extra body.
emerging dead body. Hey, this is like a good, very dark some math question or something, probability.
Yeah. It's a consulting question, this
How,
is.
or more of a UPSC question. How did it happen?
But I'm saying, if it's a serious question, it's a dumb question. It's not, you don't need a lot of smartness to solve this question.
Oh, this is like an easy one you're saying.
Yeah, I mean, if
come
I'm sitting
on.
in my UPSC exam and
Yeah.
they say to plane 250 passengers
Yeah.
dead, now 252 dead bodies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If I'm UPSC candidate, I'm sorry guys. Okay?
No, you might say two birds fell
But,
into the engine and
you'll
it's
be
two
like
birds
body.
dead
It's
body.
not a human body. They're like wrong.
And they'll be like,
That's why
"Zyada
I'll
over."
clear UPSC.
You cleared UPSC.
But I could have.
Yeah. Oh,
It's
what you
what my
prep?
family believes.
Did you
That's
prep?
good.
I didn't attempt.
Okay, you didn't
Didn't
attempt.
That's why I didn't. Like, I'm
Oh,
not.
Okay, fair enough,
They were
yeah.
asking. They were like,
They
"Please
were-
attempt."
No, my family still believes कि वो तो इसने रास्ता अलग पकड़ लिया.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's
No, that's a
chill,
good
like-
place to leave that.
Yeah.
That's
Because-
the only
yeah.
exam I can say I could have because बाकी मैंने करके fail किया हुआ है.
Okay.
Oh, damn.
Yeah. Don't.
Why?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
There's a topic which we bring up every episode, but he's sick of us bringing it up, which is where he studied his.
Oh, look at his face.
But you
No, because you know what will happen? He will bring this up.
Yeah.
And then the comments will be like, oh, Gotham loves to talk about IIM. Oh, he's all MBA. Oh, big deal. Go do your job and all those things. I won't say a word. He will bring it up and this is But now go ahead.
But
now talk.
You've done an MBA, right?
Yeah.
From?
Lucknow, right?
There
From
we
Lucknow.
go.
From Lucknow.
Organically, we brought it up. Abhi, now you guys talk.
Yeah,
I'm just
Lucknow.
gonna sit out because my attitude towards the
We are
cat.
same batch, I think.
The same match.
14.
2014. Oh damn.
Oh,
Okay, yeah.
He beat you, man. He beat
What?
you.
Why? Oh,
In
C.
cat.
Yeah, cat.
Now I want to create some friction because there's always a competitiveness, right? In this, you don't want to meet someone who beat you in the cat.
No, but cat has beaten me too many times.
Oh, you attempted it many times.
Yeah. Too many times. I
Okay.
really like this JE and cat. People sometimes bring it up कि like आपने तो like but मैंने इतना रो के crack किया. It's not a crack. It's like
Yeah.
what is the opposite of a crack?
Yeah.
Seal
that.
कर दिया. Seal.
Shove myself
मैंने
into
cat seal कर दिया है. मैं तो I've never attempted. My attitude towards cat is yours towards UPSC. I've never attempted. So I'm like, if I had attempted, they would have to make a new
You did
exam.
GMAT, right?
GMAT, yeah, that's nothing. That's like whatever.
Yeah. What was the score in GMAT?
What's yours?
I don't remember.
Oh, no, oh, tell.
remember.
Oh,
They
tell, tell.
no, I've not done GMAT.
I will
Fuck,
check
I've done
your
GRE,
LinkedIn.
not GMAT. I've not done GMAT. I've not tried
Oh,
MBA.
yeah, sorry, yeah,
It's
MBA.
GRE. So
It's then a LinkedIn,
Oh,
right?
GRE.
yeah, no, GRE I didn't score well. I'll tell you. I told you this on the podcast. Basically, in GRE, I went for a GRE prep. Like these Princeton review GRE
yeah.
prep, and they do a diagnostic test to see how good you are to begin with. And I scored the highest ever in that, and I became arrogant, and my scores went down. All the other kids' scores went up, and they scored well in the final GRE. Mine was like 200 less than I had done before training.
Oh damn.
So I was a huge disappointment. I don't think they write my name in Princeton Review. Their document list. I'm a ghost. I'm not
Yeah.
there. For them, it's like, wait, your 20 students entered, only 19
It's opposite
are
of
mentioned.
that too.
Where
Flight
is the
crash.
one?
But GRE prep is the one जिसमें बहुत सारे like words रटने पड़ते हैं cards बना
I feel like you're slightly insulting the
Hey,
GRE.
why, what happened, bro?
This is
Why,
what I
your
see.
exam
This
is not a
what I see
problem,
you
huh?
not do.
I mean, it's a
Word cards. I'm like, what is this?
Yes, yeah.
It's
Hey,
a-
give a synonym for
complicated
about.
exam. You guys are circumnavigating the problem.
Dictation type exam it is.
I rapaciously studied for this exam, and I have a bit of a recalcitrant attitude
Yeah,
towards
that is.
But what is the it's English and
maths and I think physics or
I
something.
think.
I've forgotten. They've changed the format
Oh,
again
okay.
since I've done it. It's been a long time, and now it's worth less. Please comment GRE and your score, so
Yeah.
we know. And out of how much we've forgotten. We don't study anymore.
Yeah.
we're done with that phase. I think for life.
I think so.
Any chance you do a PhD later in life?
No, I think by the time I was in IIM, I had to accept that I'm a bad student. Like, as in,
Yeah.
I was working with this illusion for years that I'm a good student.
if I
because-
like what I study,
yeah,
I will
and
become.
because I had no other personality, so I was like, I have to be a
But
good
you
student.
were a good student, right?
I was
As
a
per
very
the
mediocre
numbers.
student. As in, compared to the people, I was, of course, I would, that was the only thing I would
Compared
do.
to the people in my class, I was a good student. That's the,
No, I
that's
was
the whole way.
mediocre. Compared to them, I was very, very mid.
Oh, okay. Like
Yeah,
that.
yeah. It's like I had to I had to stick to that brand that I have worked so hard to get into an engineering college,
Yes.
then a B school, and I was like, okay, this is who I am now.
Yeah, you put a lot of your time into this.
And then I had nothing else to me. Like even now, when
Yeah.
people talk about music and cinema and books, I'm like, what was I doing all my life? So if that is all you have in your personality, that you've cracked an exam, then you stick to it.
No,
So-
I was like that in school, but that was embarrassing. Like, because if you do well in one of these things, you are told that should be your personality. Lead with that.
Yeah.
Physics,
Get a
right?
degree and then do whatever
Yeah,
you
whatever
want.
you
Then
want.
be the music maestro that you want to be.
Play your certificate
Yeah, yeah.
as a guitar.
Play
And
a
everyone's
BTech
like,
on
why
your-
is this guy not good? Because he started at 32.
Ask him a math problem while playing guitar. He'll solve that for you. But how was your IIM experience? Like, was it like
Let
good?
the record state that only one man is
But he
obsessed.
has questions. Right? He's been there. He's been there.
Yeah.
Rather than making fun of someone's education,
I'm going to
asking about.
I'm going to ask the editor to put a voiceover and like, as someone who got 99 point something, how was your IIM experience?
This also
Yeah.
one problem, 99 point something, where in Nivedita podcast, 99.9 she said, and as a joke, I said it's 99.99. Comments were like, oh,
You
look
got
at him.
99.99.
Oh, cut this out. Yeah.
One way or another, we come back.
Yeah,
Oh my God, you are one of those.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm
no,
not.
It's really
You-
sad.
Sorry.
No,
It's really
You,
sad.
I
Hey,
would
come
go
on,
up to
man.
99.99.
I feel like your journey should be a cautionary tale that don't study too hard for
Yeah.
CAT because then you will become like a comedian. This is like you wasted your degree basically.
True.
So don't do this. Get 99.8. Go into some SP,
Lucknow,
SP
Lucknow.
Jain or
8
something.
and 7 and 6 and 4. All
So
of
yours
that.
is 4, is it?
Mine was 4.
Yeah, the last number.
Yeah.
What is
Actually, I scored
99.4.
Oh.
I scored 0.7, 99.7 the year before.
Huh?
Yeah,
then
but
what
one cutoff was at 94.3.
What is
Like,
one cut? I don't
The
understand.
3 cutoffs,
Okay.
like DI, which is data what?
Logical reason,
Logical
DILR.
reasoning, yeah. And
Hey, they're like a trap. It was a trap.
DI
She's testing if the
is
99
the
is
logic
fair or
part,
not.
the maths and the verbal part. I think in one of the DI or maths, it was not above 95.
Oh, you need all three above.
I mean, the competition is so much that you need the best score and you need
all
the
to
3
be
scores
good.
to be above.
And also every year it's fluctuates.
Yeah.
depending on-
But a lot of people in my college did MBA and then did another MBA outside.
What?
Yeah.
Psychos go to his college.
Yeah.
Why?
Because you can
Psychos
get
go
into
to his college.
Okay, all right. We heard the first act.
Literally, it's a thing they do at Calcutta only.
I am
Like Ahmedabad
crazy.
people are like, okay, ho gaya.
Yeah.
Now we want better pursuits
Yes.
in life. Lucknow is not like, भैया यही हो गया बहुत है.
I get it. It's like that silver medal syndrome. Like,
Yes.
yeah, almost the best.
Yes.
Now, did you go Ahmedabad guy? Did you go to
Yeah.
Yeah.
MIT? I went or
Yeah,
some
Sloan or something. they go
Wharton
to.
or
Yeah,
some
yeah,
shit. And yeah.
No, so what? It's easier to get a job in the US if you do an MBA there.
Sure.
So they go there and then they try to like. I mean,
So, but why do the Indian one then? Why not just go direct?
It's just like they did it and they realized that they
While doing it.
Bunch
while
of
doing it that
impatient boys.
If you're getting like the real
Actually, you know what?
answer and
Coming
the,
to think of it, it is all boys only.
This is
yeah.
the-
Bunch of impatient boys. You ask me, I have spent years analyzing this shit.
this is like the media trained I am Calcutta answer, and you're giving the real I am Lucknow answer. But is there okay? I have a question. As a person who's never gone to MBA college, forget your. I'm not trying to diss IIM.
Yeah.
Although I think it's bad. It shouldn't exist. But is it fun at all?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you had fun.
Yeah, they too had a lot of other fun, but we no,
Again, the
the
hate never
campus
stops.
is famous for a lot of
Fun.
yeah, like
That's just Kolkata, man. Kolkata is a fun.
Yeah, it's a fun place.
I mean, it's a very work hard, party hard culture.
Yes.
So
that is put into you there.
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
I get
And
it.
like, I think it's a bunch of people who are at an age which is not too young. So
Yes.
we're not 18, 19. We're all somewhere in the early 20s.
Hmm.
We're all we are young, but we also are responsible. So we're working hard. But when you're partying, we're really partying. So it
Yeah.
was crazy.
Yeah. And it's a short
crazy.
phase in your
2
life
years,
also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I heard in ISB it's 1 year, so they party even harder.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's
yeah.
just some.
I heard a lot of infidelity happens in ISB.
Yeah.
Divorces happen.
Yeah.
What?
Because they come in married, right? Because it's slightly
Yes.
later in
The
MBA.
old
it is.
impatient boys.
Executive. That's
Yeah,
called.
I think there's impatient boys is a trend.
Is that what executive MBA is when you leave
Yeah.
with a divorce?
Yeah, you leave a degree and a divorce.
Ah, beautiful. Some peacocks also have been bothered.
But yeah, there in ISB, there like people bring their wives and kids to
Wags.
live in campus and all
Yeah,
wags and all live in campus, and yet things happen apparently. I
Disgusting.
wouldn't know. I wouldn't know.
Yeah,
I was a
yeah.
nice boy.
But I think in IIMs also, like, it could happen just that the intake is fairly young.
Yeah.
Very few married people.
Yeah.
And because there are not a lot of married older people, they like they
In
behave
our batch, there was
differently.
there.
Yeah, divorce was there.
I mean, they should have. I
Infidelity?
mean, seeing what he did, the right thing would have been to go home and divorce.
But I also, while in IIM, I really did feel the freedom we get is like how people, like in the US, get the first college experience.
Yeah.
Full, like, frat party
Yes,
level shit
yes.
happening. In a good way. In a good way. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
So, yeah. Like a lot of...
Yeah, we
hooking
can't
up.
say things.
Wow, I thought it's a very
Cut it out,
respected
cut it out.
institution where only studying is happening.
Yeah, study's happening.
Amazing, man.
You
I'm
can say
proud
people
of
not
you.
sleeping enough in general.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, I get it. You're
Or
reducing
too much.
You're reducing your lifespan basically in 2 years by
Yeah.
partying a lot. I get it. I didn't party, so I'll say these things. I was just taking care of my health.
Yeah, you were in Texas, right?
Not Texas,
Where were you?
in Arizona.
Arizona.
Even less.
Arizona State
important.
University.
How was it? How was it?
It's like it was.
Tell
the,
me your alumni.
It was.
Tell.
What?
I can't
No,
tell
tell
you.
it.
I can't say
You
it.
can.
Actually, I can tell one. Jimmy Kimmel is an alumnus of my college.
What about the other one? I know.
Yeah, some people in the adult film industry have graduated from there.
Ooh.
But it's no voted like
Shamik, then?
number one party school in America for many years. All right,
Oh.
but the thing is that's really sad because I went to do my master's in power systems engineering in a party school. So party was happening there, and I'm in the library over here because if I party, I'll fail and be sent back home.
But no, tell me, because the culture we're talking about is that everyone is like very, very stressed about placement and whatnot,
Sure.
but everyone's still partying. You're saying in
We
your
are
school,
just stressed. Parties are happening, but when you go abroad at that age, after doing your undergraduation, now you're Indian. All
Yeah.
right. So if you go in undergrad, you can immediately assimilate over there. But
Yeah.
there you go and you're in your groups of Indian people initially. You have to break out of it if you want to, or you cannot break out. And then it's your parties are very almost wholesome to a fault.
Yeah.
You're just all together, eating together, having a beer once in a while. And some people partied, of course, but then if your grade drops below, they have like 4-point GPA. If it drops below 3 point something, you're sent home or you have to go back or whatever. And that stress is what you have.
Yeah.
I've just got to get placed. It's the Indian mentality of I have to get placed. I've taken loans. I've got. But enough about this.
Yeah, thank you.
you brought it up.
I didn't brag. Come on, you guys were wanting to talk about it. I just nurtured an environment where you can open up,
But this 99.99 is a revelation. I see you differently now.
right?
So many times I met Gautam. I'm like, okay,
Yeah.
some
Yeah,
like
it's
Cadbury.
like, Cadbury.
Cadbury,
Yeah.
chocolates बेचता है ये.
You mean it has gone up,
Willy
right?
Wonka comes to mind.
Yeah, why did you not go into like consulting or banking?
No, it was. I was very good at taking exams. I was not good at. My GPA was always bad.
I'm actually,
Same,
even though I didn't attempt anything of that respectable level, that's all. I was great at exams. I was not
Yeah.
good
I
at
mean, I can say something
learning.
similar for me that I could get the score in the exam, boss fight mark. It will
Yeah.
be in multiple
Yeah,
attempts.
it's just that's the skill,
Yeah.
and that's useful for the time. But
Yeah.
if you think, I made the mistake of thinking I'm actually learning while I actually just mastered writing exams. So I
Yeah.
wasn't really
Yeah.
assimilate. Like I don't know, I might have said this before, but in summer break in grad school in America, I taught some kids the STEM program. They had to get kids from underprivileged backgrounds into STEM. And there we had to do projects for them, like make them work with things. And they were better hands-on than I was. And I have studied 4 years engineering. That's where me and my friend who was also same college undergrad we were like, dude, we didn't learn anything in
Yeah.
engineering. We didn't use our hands. I mean, I went and played guitar. I wasn't focusing only on the thing. But these kids figured stuff out fast.
Because the problem is that these exams, if you solve it with like first principles, you will not be able to finish the paper.
Yeah.
Because you're supposed to finish like one question a minute.
It's designed.
It's designed so that you can like quickly just scan the question and understand like, okay, this divided by this plus this is the answer.
Yeah.
But isn't for other things I get it. But for MBA, doesn't this make sense? Because you're learning a skill which is useful in your job, which is to just find a quick way to
Yeah, so
a
that is
solution.
the quick answer is never the right answer. We're just taught to confidently tell the quick answer
Yes.
and just like smoke bomb. People are like, whoa, and then you
Yeah,
give
Yeah.
that's
right
the
answer.
consulting
But
way.
I was also thinking, correct. I think one is that I also realize I'm bad with education. Like
Yeah.
I can do, sometimes exams are fun for me. Even JEE actually, there was so much pressure. I remember enjoying the process
The
of
competitiveness of it.
In fact, the maths, the curriculum of JEE was fun for me. The curriculum of CAT was also fun for me. But the classroom studies, engineering or MBA, both
Yeah.
were
Where you
very
have to
pain.
actually learn.
Yeah.
No, because
Like,
I
could
remember
not concentrate.
we had this
Yeah.
game theory, which is an awesome class, game theory, where there's this thing called management games, where basically you're operating like in a class, there are like 50 kids in a class, grouped into like teams of 5, so 10 teams.
Ah.
These are 10 companies in an industry, right? And you have to like kind of guess what the other people will do, and you have to make a move based on that. Like you increase price, you decrease price,
Got it.
you
That's
add
fun.
discount.
Yeah.
So fun it was. If you
Yeah.
think, if I go now, I'll like love doing it.
Yeah,
but
it's
that time
always-
I was like, why do I
yeah.
care about that?
Yeah.
Reduce price. Just bring it down, bring it down.
Yeah,
Geo
obvious. It's
model.
obvious. It's like how the business guy in a Bollywood film talks. Just
Yeah.
that line. Ha, sell it, kar do. It's just simple, fast solution.
Yeah.
But it's always like that. Retrospectively, I'm like, that was so fun. That was,
Yeah.
But I also think some blame. I don't know. Maybe in IIMs the faculty is good, but in engineering college, some teachers had great subjects given to them, and they couldn't
not
bring
well.
the love for
Yeah.
that subject out in their
Yeah.
kids, and they were bitter also. There, they were like. In IIM, they get paid well.
Yeah.
But in engineering college, sometimes they're being paid peanuts
Yeah.
and they are pissed. I've asked a question once and the professor's been like, why weren't you listening that
Ah.
time? And then I stopped asking
Yeah.
questions. I'm like, I won't come to this class anymore.
Yeah. I think I used to think in my undergrad college, it was a Delhi University college. It was a mix of profs. Like some were good, some were
Yeah,
bad.
of course.
And the bad ones, I used to feel this is the problem. But then
Yeah.
with good ones also, I was sleeping only in the class. I was like,
Ah.
Yeah.
Dude, I remember I asked this professor in college one question and he answered by saying, "ये दाढ़ी क्यों रखा है आपने? Get rid
Yeah.
of your beard." I'm like, dude, I'm in college, man.
That's an answer. That's what's the question? Why do beards grow? Or something like.
Oh man, I took it personal, man. He was trying to teach me. I'm sorry, professor.
Yeah.
Did you go to Delhi recently at all?
Delhi, I recorded my set in Delhi. So I went-
How long back was that?
This was 9th of this month, November.
So did you
10 days
feel
back.
the
Cold.
Not cold.
AQI.
The AQI.
Yeah. My eyes were
Watering?
little bit. So I always behave like someone who's lived in Delhi. Okay, I
Yeah.
lived there for 6 years. So when I go, I'm like, ये लोग ये सब बकवास बोलते रहते हैं. I've lived in this city during all the weathers. How bad can it be? But it's bad. It's bad by it bad.
Damn, dude. I'm so scared.
It hurts. And I don't know. उस टाइम पे तो actually मैं बहुत peak भी कर रहा था. उसके बाद से उन्होंने कुछ करा है. So might have fallen.
No, they
a
tried
bit.
cloud seeding and they said this cloud cannot be seeded. That's
Yeah.
what they said. Like,
Yeah.
we've gone beyond the
Seedless.
point. Yeah.
Seedless
You just got to
clouds.
go up and spit on the public to add some water into the environment.
The good thing though is the way we operate, that you like flights से,
Yes.
Yeah.
Uber से, hotel से,
Yeah.
venue तक. It's very limited your interaction with the weather.
With the atmosphere.
Yeah, I was staying at my friend's place, but she also had this air purifier.
Yeah.
Everyone has that now, right?
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
something
yeah.
we should have invested in. Air
Yeah,
purifiers.
man.
That's gonna
But
be
you don't live in Delhi.
No, but invest
No,
in the stock
invest in-
market.
Oh.
stock market. It's big now, and it's gonna get. I think it's still a good time to invest.
Yeah. Now it's like low. We'll like in 2 months we'll invest when the demand goes down.
Oh, that's how it
The
works.
MBA is.
I'll watch.
in I Am Calvi
I'll watch
Daughters.
Nikhil Kamat's podcast
Yeah.
and catch up with you guys.
WTF is
I've
arbitrage.
heard 2 episodes of his podcast is like a degree in IIM. Is that true?
This podcast.
No,
No.
what the WTF,
Kamat's.
Nikhil Kamat's. This podcast is not a degree in anything.
Dude, all those podcasts I just can't watch.
I watch them. I
Yeah.
watch them. I like it.
The 99.99 is
Arey
coming out.
yaar.
Why are you watching this guy's podcast? What are you
Nikhil
learning?
Kamath.
Yeah.
No, it tells about the different, like for example, there's one on coffee industry. I like drinking coffee, so I was like, oh, hey, let's learn more about it. I'm sorry for being curious, guys. I mean, I
Yeah,
never knew that
curiosity is good.
knowledge was a problem.
But
It's a sin here.
it's very MBA curiosity, if you know what I'm saying. There's good curiosity, and there is like that MBA vulgar curiosity, trying to get a buck out of a poor man's pocket
Hey man,
curiosity.
what are your ticket prices?
Dude, listen, this is a service for the people. I make them laugh. I give them joy while you're trying to fleece them with some coffee that you've invested in. This is
Yeah.
intangible,
Yeah.
but it stays with you for life.
Nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Tour
very
ends December 14th. Please buy tickets. But no, I'm trying to get more into serious podcasts. I only listen to like history stuff. I like history podcasts, but I know there's no money.
When
to
I
be
was very
made from
sad in
that.
life, I used to listen to history podcasts.
Why? Because history is
I'm just
sad.
saying it's a symptom you might want to get
Yeah.
checked.
Oh, this is the symptom. Trying to be informed about our mistakes in the past is a symptom.
No, people get into history podcasts when they're depressed.
Yeah.
I think
I also
love,
thought that, bro.
I do love the history
I
podcast.
listen to podcasts only about today.
So you're
present
saying,
day.
let's say that's true, and I am leading on depression, you're telling me to stop the thing that gives me joy.
I'm not saying stop.
Yeah,
I'm
no.
saying
Address it.
continue. Be
Acknowledge.
cautious.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Because
I've listened to Huberman and all since couple of times.
oh man,
and-
that's the stage after depression.
Yeah, that's
Now I
nothing
wanna
good
get a
comes
grip
out
of
of
my life.
Andrew Huberman.
Yeah.
What does that get?
Health. It's just like whatever you're doing is wrong.
Longevity.
Circadian rhythm.
Yeah,
Go
it's
out in the
like,
morning. Get
go
some
and put
sunlight.
your face in the sun. Go
Yeah,
and
touch grass. That's the
Yeah.
term they're saying nowadays. Bro, why don't you touch grass? You know this?
Yeah.
You touch grass. I got this message on Instagram. Bro, touch grass. You've liked all the reels I'm seeing nowadays.
Oh.
Someone has sent me. And I'm like, go yourself, man. I didn't reply to this. But if you're watching and I didn't reply to you, go yourself.
Touch grass. Touch yourself. Sorry. So history podcast.
I love history
podcast, business podcast.
No, I watch all kind of stuff. All kind of stuff. I watch true crime. I watch body cam footage. People arresting other
Nice
people.
range.
Interrogating serial killers.
Yeah.
I watch a lot of that. I watch like bank robbery breakdowns.
Wow.
Just
This is a
it's
good range.
really bad.
Nikhil Kamath is good company.
Yeah. All the criminals together. What are you watching? Are you watching anything?
As I mentioned earlier, I'm not into podcasts.
Sure.
But what on YouTube? What do you watch? What content do you consume?
YouTube. Guys, I have uninstalled Instagram for the last 5-6 days.
What?
Oh, 5-6
So-
days.
Hey,
Oh,
come
oh,
on.
oh, oh, oh.
Because-
Sorry.
Early draw.
It's like I'm not that into it. Okay, but throughout this year, I had to sell so many tickets all the time. Okay, so I had to be active on it all. Like even if I would uninstall, it could not be sort of. I could not
Yeah.
continue with this commitment.
Yeah.
Not because I am
Understood.
craving it, because I have to now go again
It's
post a
work, yeah.
story.
Yeah.
So now finally, I thought this is the time I should take a break.
Got it.
So now taking a break. Okay, there's no Instagram craving, but I don't know what to do with my time. So now, like I have never been hooked on to YouTube ever. Okay, I don't know how. Like a lot of men.
Wow.
I think I've seen men doing it. I'm like, they to mujhe karna hi nahi zindagi mein.
Yeah, men are little
All
like,
men
too
around
much.
me, okay, including my brother, my friends, everyone. Okay, or YouTube khol ke, I'm like, what is this waste of time?
Yeah.
But now I see the draw. Okay, this is where it gets lame.
Yeah.
Where
Finally. Yes.
The genre of content I like the most is something that, oh my god, so lame, that basically connects science with spirituality. Okay. It's like I'm
Here
coming out
we
right now, but you should.
go.
Now the thing is, I can't lie about this. So anywhere, okay, where they give me this hook.
Like
that-
what do you mean? Like give me what is the title of the video?
Like when they say that.
Like
this-
you're
this-
saying,
a new understanding of Schrodinger's equation with view of how consciousness is.
oh God.
Not what we see, it
That's
is
the kind of thing Schrodinger would
click
kill
on it.
himself if he saw this connection.
तो कौन सा जिंदा है वो मतलब मैं
That's
कितने लोग का मूड ठीक करने की कोशिश करूँ मैं अपना ही कर लूँ
Okay,
so-
so you like where Einstein and Deepak Chopra, where they
and
meet.
these videos have some 26 million views in 2 years. Okay, so this
Yeah.
is a big market.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
that's.
So,
I mean, you can
still
buy
care.
you can buy
views.
views. Also, maybe the spirits are watching.
They're
Some of
full-
those views are
guys, you guys
spiritual.
are very. What is the word for it? Not believing in what? Yeah, not having an open point of view.
No, not at all. No.
Very
We are
that.
very open.
Very that you are. Very
We are
that.
very open.
You
Open.
just did this to my little body cam footage craving.
I also watch physics stuff, but it's like Isaac Newton was born in this year.
Yeah.
And so that is my physics.
Breakdown of his
It's
life.
the history of his.
Yeah, when I was leaning on depression.
Oh, wow. Okay, you just focus on his work instead of his life. That's more useful.
No. So physics I watch, and of course it keeps.
Physics
recommending-
Wala. Are you watching Physics Wala?
Physics wala.
Check
no.
him out. You might enjoy his
Yeah.
work.
Why? What does physics wala do?
He takes
He
physics
teaches
classes
physics classes.
ऐसे वो तो
with
मैं
a
पढ़-
whiteboard and he draws and he's very cool.
You know, you were saying that the teaching part you didn't get into. Maybe now you can reconnect with that part of your.
Yeah. Okay.
No, I'm
But yeah, okay,
trying
so this you can watch like physics and spirituality
Well, look,
connection.
see, they're mainly physics videos. Okay, they're mainly physics videos, but because these topics are so big, in every time, any physics video that starts getting into quantum mechanics or quantum physics can never end with a very finite answer.
Yes.
So they
Yeah,
end up
that's
saying something
quantum-
floofla
Yeah.
and something which is way broader.
Sure.
And that is what I wait for. Like in that video, I am looking to listen to someone saying that we don't have answer for this, but this might mean that how we look at the world is not how we look at the world.
But the person saying this is a credible
Scientist
scientific
always, yeah.
mind.
See, these are again these are like PBS is a channel. Like all these channels which have scientists or people who are very much into science, and a lot of people are watching these videos and not taking the spirituality angle at all. Also, like they are made in a way where people are losers like me.
I mean, we're all
Yeah.
in different ways.
It's like how you sometimes read a book for like the book has a lot more of it, but when I was a teenager I would look for the romance or the make out part. For me in this
spiritual-
physics video somewhere that
That's
one
the
line
raunchy part of the video for you. When they
where
connect.
they say we bhai itna hi pata hai baki to the only way
But-
to explain it would be
But what would you think of like a Deepak Chopra and his kind of spirituality, where it's pretty much the other way? It is spirituality while he's
Yeah.
trying to use words that are
I
scientific.
think I had that phase. Now I'm out of it.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Like, I never got very much into, say, a Deepak. Anyone with an American accent talking.
Oh, that's a
Okay.
different
I
problem.
can't get
That's
it.
a different
But say I would
problem.
similar content from like a Buddhist monk. I would have listened to
or
on a
Mr.
podcast.
How about
maybe, or,
Mr. Jaggi, maybe?
Yeah. And maybe an
Okay.
American accent also, but if the name is Asha Lata something, okay.
Okay.
That genre I can take.
Yeah.
But
But no, it's a good time to stop following Deepak Chopra. He's been on a list recently.
True.
what? What
True,
is-
yeah. It's a little flying list.
What?
I mean, there is some Epstein connection. That's all I know.
No, so this, I mean, you're leaning into spirituality. What is that like a phase of life that you're in? Like, no, like, it's a genuine question.
Is this? Oh wait, if this is the phase I have to look forward to after my
History.
history,
Yeah.
then I'm gonna go deeper into history.
Yeah,
I'm telling
you go. The only way out is through, guys.
Oh no.
You're coming out on this end only. You might not, of course, you might not say it publicly. Okay, men do that.
Oh, this is what it is. So all of us are having the same journey, basically.
Yeah.
You are like on the surface.
I'm
I'm
just
underwater.
open to being, vulnerable in public.
Got
Yeah.
it. Got
That's
it.
my genre of comedy also.
All of this is making us look bad. man.
Watching a 10-part series on the life and death of JFK is my vulnerability.
Yeah, that's my
how
spirituality.
See, I have diagnosed you already.
No, but the spirituality thing, like, what is it that you're like? Is there like something that you're like drawn towards in that?
I'll tell you. I think when I was coming out of a sad phase, okay, which will happen soon, I went into it very strongly. Like,
Okay.
I was hunting for videos that make meaning of life because I was sad. And I think that this has come and gone in my life multiple times in the last decade or so. But I think I would say a more stable state is where you just have open to open to the idea that how we understand the world is very limited.
Sure.
And that something could happen that could change your understanding of things dramatically. That is my takeaway from this phase that has come and gone multiple times. So now I'm not hunting for it's as if that self-development phase is over. I also at some point I was like, I'm spending too much time figuring out how life should be instead of trying to live it. So now I'm back to कि पैसा
So it's
कमाना है,
more
भाई
about
life जीना है.
just living and not letting go of the wheel in a way.
It's more like living and
There you go.
living, doing things. Like, I think I really became like how do I put it? I started identifying too strongly for a while in my life with the spiritual stuff.
Okay.
That
don't
that
go-
I am on a path.
Paths.
I'm on a path. There was
No, but
that-
just one question over there,
Okay,
and that
okay.
is like generally with when you say like it changed your meaning, like how you looked at the world, right?
Yeah.
That's such a big term.
Yeah.
Right now, someone as dumb as me, how do you like what is it?
I'll
what is it
tell
change?
you.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I'll give you actually a very simple example.
Yeah.
That multiple times in my life, when I mentioned that there was literally 4 or 5 years in my life when I was trying to, when I was working, then I was trying to get into an IIM. That is not happening. Every interview I'm going for is bad, and I can't figure out that after so much effort, I can see I'm not dumb.
Yeah, but
I
it's
was
just not
stuck
getting
in a
over the
rut,
line, yeah.
and I kept pushing very hard to get out of the rut. And I think some dramatic events happened in my life because of that. I had to, like I was so sad because I had to meditate and just let go of the way I used to process information. That I realized, if I process information differently, my attitude towards things changes. All the baggage I am carrying since my, the first time I must have taken JE, that goes away. And if I operate with a different perspective, my हम ऐसे थे ना कि दरवाजे पे धक्का देते रहेंगे तो दरवाजा खुल जाएगा and unless there is a lock, you can just turn the lock and go inside. So the
Just
first time,
changing your approach, maybe.
yeah.
You've
So
just
I think
been
the
trying
first time it
same
happened
thing.
was when actually I went into IIM because I was struggling throughout my engineering life, throughout for the 2 years I was working. I was really struggling with whatever I was doing, like work-wise. And every interview, it's a case study. I can list it down, and I can't even make a set on it. So it's so tragic
Oh,
the
no.
number of failures I've had. But this changed, and after that, even though I was bad at studies, something changed inside me that I stopped looking at myself as a loser. Okay, and at that time I thought it's just something I've done. It's just it's very functional. It's not to do with bigger understanding or whatever. But because I've changed such a drastic behavior in me because of a change of attitude, so now from that point onwards, every time I've felt that I'm stuck, I've looked for how can I change my attitude. And that typically comes from a lot of this hocus pocus. In the sense, every time I'm like, what is the broader way of looking at things?
Sure.
So that answer typically comes from not how we are operating, from an idea much bigger that maybe just, it sounds so stupid, but just have faith and focus on what you're doing. Such a simple idea. But if I look at my experience in life when I was failing, I have no reason to believe in it. Right? Just have faith and do what you're doing is
It
something
doesn't
that
seem
did
to
not
work when you look
Yeah.
back.
yield
at
for
it.
me for 5 years.
Yeah.
So if I operate linearly and process information like a human being does, I would never take this and
Yeah.
believe in it. But it takes some level of faith only to
Yeah,
have faith.
It's almost like a bit of a happy delusion you have to create for yourself.
So again, I've said so much, but the answer is a number of times in my life when I've been stuck, happy delusions have really paid off. And a way of looking at it could be that I had faith and some blessing came. But it really is, the scientific version of it would be that when I was really stuck, I reminded myself that looking at it like this will not help. You have to go here to solve it.
Okay.
Got it.
So that
Man.
going here is what I say is the broader thing that sometimes, like if I'm stuck in something, stuck with something in my life right now, this approach cannot work. You have to take a more...
That's the skill that you're learning through this, where like how to relook at this.
Yeah.
Damn. This is really serious, deep stuff, and we
Yeah.
try to avoid all this on
Yeah.
our podcast.
Like, you
so
can cut it all out.
I'm
Just
worried.
use it in your life. This is for you. For you.
Cut it in the podcast. Use it in
we
the
don't
life.
want to give these people a chance to fix their lives. That's the
No, they'll
last
get
thing.
bored and go.
Yeah, Epstein files. Let's talk about the Epstein files, guys. The files are coming out finally. This might be out by the time this comes out. I don't know. And maybe what's his name? That director?
Jeffrey.
No.
Yeah, okay. Bezos. Director Kash Patel.
Vivek Agnihotri might make a movie
Oh,
on it
oh,
because he does all
correct.
the he does all
I
the
thought
files.
his name would be there on the file. मैं उसको बुलाया.
वो
Party
सारे
में.
files पे movie करता है ना, so that's why that's the next one. There's no segue out of that to Epstein.
I mean, like, on what we started, one of the only comics who has bilingually performed
Oh my
Yes.
across
Incredible.
the pond.
Guys, you know,
Incredible.
if this episode doesn't get the kind of viewership you get on average, it's not my fault, it's your fault.
Because you brought this
You're
up?
asking me questions जिस पे लोग कहते हैं वापस शुरू हो गई है.
Oh, well, okay.
No, but I
Top
answer.
3 foods.
Top 3 foods tell in English and Hindi. Since you're a
We'll put
bilingual
both.
comedian.
No, bilingual. I'll answer. No, I'm not. I'm not bilingual. I'm actually still a Hindi comedian. But that English experiment was something I really wanted to do.
Yeah.
And I've done, and I don't think I'll do a lot of it again. But it was great. Like it really expanded my brain.
What was your like? I've always wondered, like, because you in Hindi, you've like figured something out. It's working. You have an audience, and you have, I think, what we all talk about, having a voice and all that. I think you have. It's tough to tell yourself, but from outside, it looks like you have it.
From here.
From here,
Yeah.
right? So, what motivated you to try to do the Edinburgh Fringe? Why is that important to you, or was it just to experience the
I think
Fringe?
I think I've been a festival visitor for, you know, like I've been an enthusiast. I remember even before it was a big thing, some people used to go, and I was like, if there's one thing I want to spend money on is to go watch a festival. So I went to festivals 3 times, and by the 3rd time I started feeling like if I have to attend it again, I need to be in it. Otherwise,
Yeah.
I just feel very much like an outsider. That feeling is not good. But then this Hindi show was a handicap because you have to. I mean, I'm guessing they're open to Hindi shows, but the selling
Yeah.
will be a problem, and it won't be an experience worth having. I'm guessing
Yeah.
you don't
Yeah,
have
there's
the
a reason
global
there's
audience.
not many of that happening there. Yeah.
So I had this, basically, it was just mainly curiosity, and I wanted to do it once in my life. And with this particular show, I was like, I can probably do it because earlier my comedy has been very story based, very, anecdotal. Anecdotal बोलते हैं?
Yeah.
Total.
Yeah, I don't
Anecdotal.
I always
Correct.
call it anecdotal. Okay.
Anecdotal? That's like dyslexic
Anecdotal.
while saying it.
Yeah, it's 2 words. Okay?
Oh, no, Jesus.
That word we're going to censor, so they won't know which word.
You can include beep and beep.
Yeah. So earlier you were doing anecdotal.
Anecdotal.
Yeah.
So those stories are very difficult to like translate
Yeah.
because they're really hinging on certain expressions and certain way of talking. But this show, I felt it had more inside-based humor. It was still very tough. Basically, I don't have a comedic brain in English. Okay, it's in English or Hindi.
Correct.
So it was. I had to function like I'm copying a comedian. Okay? It's like literally, it's a great exercise.
You're like, you are a chat GPT comedian when you're doing English, but you are chat GPT yourself.
So it was correct. It was very challenging, and that's why I know that if I have to do it, I should do it at a smaller scale because I know that comedian is not great. Okay? That comedian is just trying to be.
You're open, like one part of you is open micing, one part of you is like whatever, like selling, like can perform to an auditorium.
Yeah.
So-
But at the end of a show in English, could you feel like that sort of stress that you don't feel at the end of a Hindi show? Like you've had to work your brain overtime.
Yeah, I think with the good thing about Edinburgh is because we do so many shows कि शुरुआत में, of course, I had that feeling that every show used to feel like a task. But I think by the time I was done with 5th, 6th show only,
Yeah.
and I think some comedians watched it, okay, and told me also that you just need to have more fun on stage. Okay?
Yeah,
English
yeah.
बोल के खुश होने की जरूरत नहीं है.
Yeah.
I was just when I was doing trial shows in Mumbai, me and my audience both were just happy that English बोल लिया मैंने. They're also like, very good. You spoke, we saw. Okay.
They were impressed by the feat that you
Yeah.
translated.
So I do a show, all of us happy. Then I go to the green room and comedians come to watch, and it's like, but comedy also has to be there, no? So I
Nice.
think
Yeah, it's like just playing left-handed. Just like suddenly you come and play left-handed and like congrats. Like you have to score runs also.
I scored 1 run.
Yeah.
I'm happy.
Yeah.
No, but this is very true. It's inspired me. I'm going to do Hindi comedy now in the, I don't know what's the equivalent, Chandigarh Comedy Festival. Sonpur Mela, something. I'm
wow, look at you talking like that.
going. Who's Sonpur Mela? Who mentioned that? That
Sunil Pal.
Sunil Pal. Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Sonpur Mela?
Yeah,
What
he
is
said
Sonpur
na
Mela?
ki Zakir could never kill in Sonpur Mela.
Oh, I don't know this.
You don't know this? You gotta
Instagram is then. Last 6 days it came up.
It's been big, man. You've not been. You have to look up the. Once you're back on your
Once you're
Instagram.
And you should see his set in Sonpur Mela is also there. Sunil Pal.
Yeah, with no added laughs, which
Yeah.
is like so old school.
Yeah.
We don't see that a lot.
They
these
forgot to
days.
put the audience mics.
Yeah, the audience was not mic'd,
Yeah.
and their vocal cords were also not working. But why are we shitting on?
Hey, yeah, man. Let's
One of the
not.
legends.
Yeah, man, we should be nice.
Yeah.
We should be
Kindness
nice.
is important.
Kindness. This is one of the things you're working
Well,
on.
kindness is a thing everyone knows about. Like, it's not a
Oh,
discovery.
sorry. In history, there is no kindness in history. Only
Kindness is one of the things you're exploring.
actually, there's no history podcast where they are telling about this period where everything was awesome. It's
Yeah.
always like then,
Yeah, war.
yeah, war or the plague.
But that's why I hate to use the word spirituality, actually, okay? It's too heavy for the kind of stuff I'm talking about. What I'm saying is this versus this.
Yeah.
There's no word for it.
What I'm
yeah.
saying is, I think the whole idea of that also is that times will always be bad only.
Yeah.
How to navigate.
What an
Yeah.
optimistic thought.
Yeah.
No, but the reason why I stopped listening to history stuff is because, like, I used to read a lot of these Mughal times, what all happened and all, and it's so floral the way they write it, right? Like, oh, Akbar, he had a darbar, all religions were there, we were all discussing, and whole time I'm reading the book, I'm like, I wouldn't have been there. I would have been in the city working. What are my conditions like?
Yeah, they don't.
They don't talk about the common man during these
Yeah.
times.
Their history is not important. That is
Yeah.
Yeah,
true.
but for that you have to read fiction of that time. I remember I was reading. There was a time I talk about my life as if I don't know मैं कितना बुड्ढी हो गई. Okay, there was a phase
The
in my
era.
life.
This was this era.
Reading era.
This is very Gen Z of you. You can have era of 2 years,
Yeah.
sometimes 6
Yeah,
months.
but I look at things like that. So there was this era when I was very much into partition literature and
Yeah.
partition history.
Yeah.
That was also I was sad only.
India after Gandhi, right?
Yeah, so I read history
All
books.
your Indian summer, all those
And
things.
history books were all about important people
Yes.
and
Yeah.
some, of course, small. They will just throw a few lines about how people were.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
then I was reading the fiction of that time, like a Manto stories and whatever. There you actually find how common people live, and
Yes.
that is the politics is a very small part of their life. It
Yes.
is either they are poor or they're not poor. Everything is great. It's a romance story
Yeah.
with some elements of in the background somewhere. This thing is
It's
playing a
playing out in
role.
the- yeah.
Sometimes in certain Manto stories, they could have been in any time. Like the background of
Universal.
it, because the stories are the timing is actually 1940s somewhere.
Yeah.
But in many stories, it is not important
It's
that
not
पीछे कहीं
important.
freedom struggle चल रहा है या politics चल रहा है. कुछ में है, कुछ में नहीं है.
Correct.
So then you see कि the way people used to live was
Yeah.
actually very like this
Like
only.
this, yeah.
In
Yeah,
fact,
that's interesting.
now that people who feel oppressed right now, there was some people who were feeling oppressed at that time.
Yeah.
Nothing has changed for a lot of people.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Even
yeah.
generationally.
And the patterns are the
Yeah.
constant.
They just
History
got
repeats
new
itself,
oppressors.
Oh, I didn't want to say it, but
History repeats itself, right?
yeah, and those who don't learn the lessons of history are, I forget the quote,
History repeats
are
itself is
doomed to
succinct enough.
repeat it. Or yeah. So don't repeat history, guys.
Yeah.
Clear history.
There is.
Come on. Let's give some actionable advice.
Actionable advice.
Oh,
man.
sorry.
No, it's fine.
Why sorry?
This is MBA terms. He gets
no,
allergic to it.
yeah, it's fine. I love the
God.
the buzzwords. They're beautiful.
Guys, the thing is, I have no love for just bringing this topic back. For, of course, okay, B school or how B schools are. But I feel this dissing on B school also should be out of fashion now.
No.
Like,
Who's dissing? India loves B schools. I'm trying to start a movement here where we diss
Hey
on-
man, I think we have all of our subscribers are a part of your movement right now.
Yeah, I'm trying to gather a bunch of non-cat attempters.
you know, when I look back at B school, I feel that, of course, it's always questionable what we learned, if we were fit for, if we were prepared or ready, or if we even knew what we're signing up for. But when I look at the way corporate India works, I feel it's like the B schools know and they train you for that.
Yeah.
Corporate India, you need FAF, we will make you experts in FAF.
Yeah.
They need 16 hours of work, we will make you,
Train you.
expert at that.
Yeah.
So it's like you go to Seema auntie. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
And Seema auntie, you want marriage in rich family, I will groom you for that.
You know what? I appreciate this analogy. This is the kind of analogy
True.
I'm looking
It is-
for.
it is exactly
Somewhere
that.
we are all agreeing on. Yeah.
Because nobody cares about what you learn. At the end of the day, in any B school, it is where you got placed after that. It is what establishment is based on how you get out of it, rather than what you learn from it.
Yeah. That's fair.
But you worked in TV after that, right?
TV, yeah.
TV.
Star TV.
Where? Star TV.
Yeah.
How was that? How was working in the TV industry?
It was a lot of fun. Again, because when I commit to things, I really find ways to enjoy them. But this
Okay.
was actually, I was very happy that I don't have a sales job. I don't have to travel around the
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.
And it was a marketing job in a fancy office, 3-side C. So I was anyway very happy. Plus, I was also excited that this is entertainment industry.
Sure.
How will it be? So it was actually pretty good till it started feeling painful a bit over time because I started getting existential. But in initial 3 years, it was great.
Yeah.
It was a lot of work, and
Yeah.
I was one of those people who were like, yeah, I can be here for 16 hours.
No,
if you want me to."
100%. I mean, my small experience in television, I was like, if you're in a place where you want to forget all your worries about the rest of your life, you can
Yeah.
spend your whole waking hours in this office
Yeah.
because everyone's working like that. And there is an opportunity to work like that.
And I sometimes also feel that which year was this when
this
you
was
had your
2021 after pandemic.
I think it's also I think a pandemic ke just baad tak ka time 24 like television had its golden era, and I think the time I joined 2014 to somewhere on the pandemic was also I think the last leg of this time when
okay.
they were trying to do things, even though
Yeah.
from someone's lens it could be क्या सात बो शो बनाते रहते हैं क्या same चीज करते रहते हैं क्रिकेट में, but they were still fairly independent to do things. The sad thing now is that because of course there's internet, there's OTT,
Sure.
the entire movie business has gone to the dumps because OTT पे सब लोग सब कुछ देख
Yeah.
लेते हैं. Even the sports business now is so consolidated. People have no motivation to try or do
Try
new
new things, not at all.
And TV business, even though वो ऊपर फिर से चला गया है, but I joined at a time which was like the last leg of people trying stuff.
That's fun. That's
So
a fun
it from
time.
an outsider we could be like कि "भै, कर तो वही content रहे हैं जो
Yeah.
हम लोग नहीं देख सकते." But they were very into about what they were making, what
So
new
what
stuff
are
they were
some
doing.
things you worked on?
Savdhan India. That
Okay.
was the show I was longest associated with.
Nice,
Yeah,
nice.
first I was in the marketing team. My job used to be basically...
Has India learned from any lessons from that show? Is there any proof in the pudding?
Yeah, I don't know. I think the show just... How to put, the whole show of theme was Savdhan India, but it was basically a light porn show only. Like, in the sense, yeah, it was a very... So both these shows, Savdhan India... You don't know this, Savdhan India and
I didn't know
Seinfeld
it's a
show.
light
Now
porn
I'm going to
show.
watch it.
So their biggest viewership comes from these adult males who watch to look at all this Debar Babi affair,
that's
Sasur
the
whatever
angle, is
affair.
it?
They've all, basically voyeur is the genre.
Voyeur.
Like when we're selling it internally, we know it's voyeur.
Yeah.
But when
But
we
do you speak in those terms in
no.
the meetings?
So we package. Oh yeah. So
Yeah.
internally we're very. When I
Open.
was making promos, my promo brief used to be no. I tried to not do it, but at some point the promo brief used to be how to make it more raunchy, or if the episode is about XYZ things, to bring that out.
Yeah.
And I think that is when it started getting to me also.
Okay.
And I think initially when I was new, the work that used to come to me was this brand refresh, mount
Yeah.
it as this thing that
Yes.
men are proud of and whatnot. And when I started growing into it, I had to do more real things, which was literally look at what people are watching and how to increase daily viewership. So that is when you're like, oh, I do well at my job if I increase viewership,
Yes.
and increasing viewership cannot come from this faff like आप
Yeah.
अपने घर के रक्षक हैं. It can come from just giving them more of what they need.
Yeah.
So that then started getting to me that, oh my god, is this what I want to do with
Yeah,
my life?
once you have your metrics clear, then it just becomes
Yeah,
how to
because we
get
were
it.
just discussing today morning. We were discussing like why are there like movies like what Masti and all
Yeah,
these
Masti
Masti
4
4 is
I saw
coming,
the
yeah.
holding.
Why are they still coming out? And we
Yeah.
were just like thinking about like okay, like
Yeah.
you know who is the viewer?
Yeah.
And it is
There
the
are a lot.
viewer who.
My theory is if a movie like Masti 4 or Houseful 5 does lesser business than, say, the last one in the franchise, it is absolutely not because of the audience not wanting it. It's because they're just doing poorer quality of that. Like,
Yeah.
it's not a function of audience growing up at all.
Audience
that
is ready
audience,
for it if you give it to us at that level.
they have become lazy
Okay.
at the way it is supposed to be
so
done.
they're missing like an open goal basically.
Yeah,
It's there
yeah,
for you
yeah,
to take
yeah,
and
yeah.
they're missing.
People
There is-
probably after watching Houseful 5 and getting disappointed, they'll probably go watch Houseful 4.
Yeah, they'll-
You'll see
Yeah.
the sales of that
Yeah,
go up,
yeah.
and they'll be like, yeah.
That's
I mean, of course, if someone does research and proves otherwise, I'll be glad. But I'm telling you,
Yeah.
my hunch is if people, because I read people saying कि Houseful 5 ने उतना business नहीं किया जितना Houseful 4 ने किया था. The
Yeah.
country is growing up. I'm
Yeah.
like, please.
The
Yeah.
country never grows up.
Yeah.
But wait, I've not watched. Is Houseful 5 also that kind of raunchy comedy?
I've also not seen it, but yeah,
I've heard,
it is
yeah.
actually full on that, in the sense that women went to check it out and were like, oh my god, can't believe someone
Got
can
it,
make
got
this.
it, got it.
So I have
It's,
not seen, but
yeah, but I mean, yeah, I think it even not being in an industry like that, the outside thought is when your society is like there's a lot of subdued, the sexuality thing is
Repression.
repressed. A repressed society will always watch this
Yeah.
more and
I really
they're
feel
It's weird double standard, right? It's
It's double
repression,
standards.
but in a big screen with familiar faces, you can see that.
yeah. Somehow there is a veil of protection for that.
Yeah.
Like they can do a lot of things
Yeah.
which other smaller people
Yeah.
would be
I
cancelled
think the
immediately.
bigger
for.
problem I always feel is that there's not enough counter content.
Yeah.
That the thing is people want to watch that. Someone sees a market there,
Yeah.
they'll make it. And I'm
Yeah.
guessing this is all training comes from TV, that it's so
Yes.
imbibed in your head. If there's a market, someone would cater to it. How can you have a problem with that?
That's true.
The problem is that there is another market also. Like if movie like Animal comes at a time when there are n number of movies that are anti-animal or
Yeah.
catering to an audience that hates
Then it's
animal,
fine, yeah,
then it's
yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
But the thing is that movie
Is stood alone and there is no one.
There is no movie
It's like a
आगे या
Mount Everest
पीछे.
and everything else is
And
nothing.
Kilimanjaro and XYZ
Yeah.
mountain also is there. That type
There's
of movie
only.
only.
It's there
Yeah.
only.
So there is.
Yeah, that's so true.
No, and it's that like I watched like some scenes of like whenever like you're on OTT, it just starts playing, right? Your house full, all those kind of stuff.
Yeah.
It's also a lot of training with what TV does to you with sounds, right?
Yeah.
Where like
Sound design.
they're like down,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
all
Yeah,
that,
yeah.
right? Where
Yeah.
even if you don't like find it funny, you're just trained to do that. And
Yeah.
if you go and show someone 12th fail,
Yeah.
right? These sounds and all that, they'll be like, oh, this is a boring movie. Like it's not
Yeah.
fast at all.
Yeah, but there's also that element which I've always said that because in India people always like we just want to be entertained.
Yeah.
We don't want to think. And I've always been a shut up and think. But then
Yeah.
I'm also in a job where my job is allowing me to
Yeah.
use movies as the opportunity
Yeah.
to think. Whereas if you're working a 14-hour shift maybe in
You
a
don't
job you
want
hate,
that.
you don't want to be...
Or you don't want that at all times. So I remember, now that we're talking about this, when I used to see my parents watching television at home, I remember my father had a taste for Shyam Benegal movies also,
Yeah.
art movies also.
A
But
mix.
when he's coming back from office, he wanted to put some Govinda
Brain
stuff.
dead stuff.
100%.
And watch it, and that thing would have tune, everything.
Yeah, yeah.
And at that time, you couldn't tell him, "Ki, why are you watching this? Watch
Yeah,
Shyam
yeah.
Benegal right now."
That's so
it's
true.
also true that most people can watch both.
Yeah.
That's
Just
also
that
true,
the
yeah.
kind of lives we live, that is just so much easier to consume.
But you know, this thing you said about the Govinda, this thing is reminding me. The thing with an art of any kind is, it always shines through if the people doing it are genuinely good at something or not.
Yeah,
Because the
yeah.
Govinda, the same movie you give it to Govinda and his group back then and now this
Yeah.
Masti, you can see the difference.
Yeah.
I'm like, this is funny.
I like how I said
Yeah.
Govinda and his group.
Yeah, you know what I mean. The David Dhawar and the Kader Khan script and like they're just
Yeah.
different levels.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. Houseful 5 or even
Yeah.
Masti 4, I don't know how that is. The problem is their conviction falling. It's
Yeah.
it's not the audience not
Yeah.
wanting it.
Maybe we have to write a raunchy Bollywood flick.
Yeah.
Let's do it, man.
No, but also one more thing on TV. This is something I've heard from colleagues, and I don't know if it's true or not. On like how modular things are in TV, where like, for example, like CID for that matter, it has like n number of episodes, but it's all like modular, where like you have the villain is the wife. Right, murderer is the whatever cousin,
Yeah.
right, and they just like make episodes by just like mixing and matching. Is that how it is?
Yeah, so CID, Savdhan India, Crime Patrol. These are 3 shows I can name.
Yeah.
ऐसे ही 1-2 और होंगे at best. Yeah, comedy में you can look at a Tarak Mehta.
Yes,
Right? There's
yes.
some shows which are built for bulk.
Bulk.
Yeah.
And in shows like Savdhan India and Crime Patrol, it's not even just one production house. They have to employ multiple production houses because इतना कोई बना ही नहीं सकता.
Correct.
So of course there is a template. In fact, one production house would probably have an expertise in certain type of raunchy. Okay, one would have expertise in emotional, not raunchy. That this is actually good content which can actually get you viewership
Got
even
it.
without sex.
That's their strength. Yeah.
Then there is some
Without sex.
one
Raunchy
would-
without cheese.
Yeah, one would come with very few episodes, but they would be proper hard-hitting, good ones based on
Yeah.
real popular crimes.
Okay, so you get a mix of
yeah.
all.
But this is very true that if you're making it in bulk and they're literally shooting every day, the writers like are writing 24/7.
Oh
So you
my
have to
God.
do it like this, and that's why people consume it so mindlessly that
Yeah.
you can actually get away with a lot of it, even though उसमें भी कुछ quality control करना पड़ता है because my job used to be that the ratings are falling, okay,
Yeah.
what has to be, okay, now more sex has
yeah.
to be put or what, like
Oh no.
First solution,
Open a
of
sex
course.
tap.
First solution is always, try the obvious ones. And if that doesn't work. But
yeah.
so I don't even know, is Southern India still on? Is it
it
still
will
a thing?
always be on.
It is always on? Wow.
And these are shows, by the way, they are consumed a lot during daytime also. So these are the shows that these channels repeat throughout the day. If you open Sony anytime,
Yeah.
you will see Crime
You can
Patrol
fill it in at any
anytime.
slot.
So it's called
Yeah.
the RODP, rest of day part. Okay, so
Oh.
there's prime time and there's RODP. So
But Southern India never plays prime time.
no, these are 10 p.m. slots in prime time, which is late prime.
Late.
So all these shows are typically slotted 9:30, 10 p.m.,
Post
11
news.
p.m.
Yeah.
Or post when
Post
kids
nut
are
clarity
kids are
after
sleeping.
the show.
Post,
Yeah.
Pre-nut clarity,
Yeah.
post news.
Pre-nut fog. yeah.
Yeah, but they actually these shows actually stabilize the channel's rating because throughout the day they keep playing and people keep like men are
There's like a
sitting there
baseline
consuming.
rating is always there.
There used to be times when our prime time rating used to fall below the daytime rating, which was the
Oh.
repeat. Okay,
I love-
repeat of old, and then we used to be like, those old episodes are rating better than your new fresh content. What are you
Damn.
doing?
So basically, there's no hour at which men won't be.
Yeah, we are
you
always
know?
ready.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what we take away from all of
Yeah,
this.
yeah. No, I think one genuine question. I don't know if is this podcast friendly question or not, but what do you guys think when women comedians shit on men, like in them? Because as women, when we see female bashing, it's clearly bad because
Yeah.
you should not shit on women because this is
Yeah.
clearly punching down. But do you guys enjoy when women bash men sometimes?
What do you mean? Like in the comments?
No, in comedy, in content. Like a lot
Can
of
you
women
give
are
an
ranting
example?
about
We
men
will
all the
bleep
time.
out. We'll bleep out the example, but if you want like, what is it like?
Yeah.
I mean, so there is a.
No, I'm saying so that is definitely offensive.
Yeah, there's a right and wrong.
अगर उसका उल्टा counterpart you see, I'm trying to figure out that say if I in my content
Yeah.
bash men a lot.
Oh, like that in your content, if you bash men. No, I think that it makes sense. Like, you're catering to, like, basically the complaint offered is men are giving men's perspectives on everything.
Yeah.
And a lot of times women are they can't relate to some of the content. And they're
Yeah.
like, this is such a masculine angle on this. So then there can always be the opposite angle.
Opposite.
I may not enjoy watching it, or I might not laugh because I don't get it. For the same reason, a woman may
But
not
it
laugh
might
at.
not feel as problematic as it is the other way
No,
around.
I think-
sometimes.
I think bashing is like it comes like by that you're implying that it is not founded on a strong base. Right? Like for example, Michelle Wolf,
Yeah.
right? She does like some amount of men bashing. It's solid because it comes from a point of like, we kind
Yeah,
of do
we are
that.
I think it all comes down to if you
we get
mine,
it.
is, mine is like that.
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
get it right,
Yeah.
if you get it right, then it becomes undeniable. Like
Yeah,
if it's
yeah.
funny and it makes me
I think the
chuckle.
challenge with comedy sometimes is that you get it right, okay? You with me with the insight.
Yeah.
But because have so many feelings,
Yeah.
okay, and I start doing jokes and exaggeration.
At some point,
at
people are
some
like-
point it's like, okay, ab zyada ho gaya.
Yeah, because that's true. At some point, people
Yeah.
might be like, okay, I get it.
Yeah.
But
Stop.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that's also a personal thing. Like sometimes I've heard people say that you did this joke and then you said 4 things, just we got the point. But I'm like, no, that's not comedy. To me,
Yeah.
comedy is
Yeah.
I'm trying to make you laugh 4 more times saying the same thing.
Yeah, I'm lazy. That's what.
Yeah.
Just-
I want to, like, once I got this, I want to
Yeah.
squeeze out more from it. That's the idea.
Yeah. So I don't think that is so
I
problematic.
think the truth is, if it's funny, I think for a lot of us actually, if it is funny, we register the offense much later.
100%.
Yeah.
100%.
That maybe it's not offensive, it's funny enough, but even if it's little offensive, you will probably program.
I will say,
Understand
and this could sometimes be to a fault, but if something is genuinely funny to you, you will struggle to take
Yeah,
offense
it
to
happens
it.
with me also.
And then you're disarmed, right? That's the
Yeah.
point.
Yeah,
by
yeah,
humor.
yeah.
And now you, even though you feel strongly about something, you can't take that stand, that
Yeah.
moment. So it is it's a bit of a...
Yeah, and that's I mean, even in terms of like whatever the opposite where like men do or women bashing and all things. I think like there is the tasteful way though has not even been
if
explored.
the quality of humor is really good, I can actually
Yeah,
take
like for
Yeah,
example,
a
I'll
lot
tell
of
you, like Nate Bagazi's bit on liking my wife asked me why I didn't like our photo.
Yeah.
Right? And where he says that I told you I liked it. Like while we took the photo,
Yeah.
I said I liked it, right? So it's kind of like that premise is very old, where like girl is like, why don't you like my photo?
Yeah.
100 comics to do it like that.
But also...
he's doing it in a different
but
way.
a general thing he's doing there, which is he's talking about his wife.
Yes,
right? That
correct.
automatically changes it. If he
Yeah.
says women do
Yeah,
this,
yeah, correct.
that tone, now
Yeah.
you're going to have a much better joke to
Yes.
pull that off. Like you're now
Yes.
just saying, women do this.
Yes.
Yeah, then it's
So
tricky.
I think this is where I'm coming from. That sometimes you start a premise thinking this guy
Yeah.
is like this.
Yeah.
But then the second line is and these men.
Yeah, that changes
That's right.
everything.
Yes,
That
yes,
changes.
yes.
And also, there's a way to do that when you need the audience to also to be smart enough to get that you are trying to push some buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's also
Yeah,
funny. It's
yeah.
like when you see a troll being a troll, sometimes in comments I laugh that this
Yeah.
person is being a great troll.
Yeah.
He's like starting
Yeah,
fires
yeah,
right
Yeah.
now.
Yeah.
And I see what you're doing.
Yeah.
I'm not going to take offense
Yeah,
to it.
and I'm not going to engage with it
Not
also. Like,
engage
yeah,
with it.
but good job.
Yeah. So yeah. No,
Yeah,
you should
okay.
please bash
Yeah.
everyone. All genders must be bashed.
Yes, no problem with that. Just be tasteful a little bit. That'll be-
Please.
And
yeah.
funny.
Yeah,
Funny.
not in our
Funny.
comments. Like
Yeah,
here
don't-
it's
don't bash
only
us.
good. This is a safe space for us.
yeah, it's a safe space for us, not for you guys.
I have declared it a safe space. And now you may comment. We're going to wrap up now, but
Yeah.
we'll do a game which we do always. It's our only segment. and
much celebrated.
Much celebrated segment.
How do you know?
People say that segment was
yeah,
great.
hey, we celebrated it.
Some have said don't do it again, but you
That's a
know,
celebration.
That's it's a celebration of satisfaction. Like they've had enough of it, but we've not. So we will continue. It's called Small Talk Different Year, and it's like we're having a conversation only, but it's not 2025 anymore. And we are not necessarily. We are just 3 people.
Okay.
You can be yourself, but
Okay.
obviously in this year doesn't make sense. It's the year 1976, and we're having a conversation. And let's go.
Emergency.
Man, I don't know about you guys. I'm having a good feeling about this Sanjay Gandhi guy.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You think he's the future prime minister, possibly?
Yeah, and what did he say? He said that he wants to make like Delhi like New York.
Yeah.
He told it's been done 50 years.
Yeah.
Just imagine what 2025 Like, so what? By 2025, we can be like New York.
Yeah.
Amethi will be like New York, I can say.
Amethi.
Yeah.
That's
bright,
where.
I know.
That's where.
Bright future. Oh,
Bright
that
future.
maybe a national capital will shift to
Change,
Amethi
yeah.
मेरे को तो
by
फीलिंग आ रहा है लंबा जिएंगे
Yeah.
लंबा जिएंगे 2025 तक तो हो ही जाएगा.
Yeah,
yeah,
easy,
New York
easy.
बन
So when you say it will be like New York, what are the
The
metrics?
air will be clean,
Okay.
right?
I think
Roads.
that shouldn't be too hard to do.
Yeah, air will be clean.
It's pretty clean right now.
Yeah.
So it can only get better.
Only
yeah.
get better.
The structures that we have,
Huh.
which are like heritage structures, will still be there. Like, for example, our parliament will still be there,
Of course.
right?
I mean, some things are forever.
Still be there.
Yeah.
Of course, it will be
Yeah.
there.
These
Yeah.
new fellows that have come, this BJP guys, seem to be very open-minded. Huh?
Yeah, I like.
They will finally
it's a
bring
different
freedom of
perspective.
speech.
I think you know what I hate is a monopoly, and it's good that we are breaking that now. And
Yeah.
we need competition, and it will be healthy competition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Competition is always healthy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And of course, there's literally no chance they're gonna make a dent in the elections
Yeah.
anytime in the next, I don't know, century.
And even if it comes, it'll come as a coalition. So there'll be a lot of tug of war
Yeah,
and all those
yeah,
things.
You know what I like is ideology. Everyone has clear ideology,
Yeah.
and they won't. No one's wishy-washy. No one jumps ship.
Yeah.
I like people who have clear political.
Yeah, it's just
viewpoint.
I think like we are fortunate to be living in a time of just strong leaders. We have Sanjay Gandhi here. My cousin, he's in Cambodia. Pol Pot is there, and
Oh, the Khmer Rouge, right? Yeah, I've heard they're doing some
Pol
good
Pot.
work there.
Yeah.
I heard some issue with people who wear glasses he has, and he's taking them out. Is that something you've heard?
LASIK. He's taking them out to get
LASIK?
LASIK
Oh.
surgery.
Oh, is that something?
Oh.
What is LASIK?
LASIK
Is that
is
a-
the
Like Lasik.
last time you'll see that guy.
Guys, Mao is dead.
Mao is dead. You've been sitting on this fact for a long time, I feel.
Now that we are,
Mao is
diversified.
dead.
Mao's
And
dead?
Apple
Man.
Computers is alive, though. It's been formed. So, I mean,
Yeah.
you'll win some, you lose some.
What is Apple Computer? What is, like IBM?
It's like international business machines,
Yeah.
but it's another company. And
Big computers.
Yeah, big computers.
Yeah,
no?
they seem
Are they
to
coming for
be-
placements? They're coming to
placement. No.
Your economy is not open only.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, I forgot.
That placement.
Yeah, Campa Cola.
We are all in our drawing room without power right
Let me
now.
just drink my Campa Cola. 1 second.
Yeah, have your Campa Cola. Man, this Campa Cola thing.
Good one. She's watching.
Yeah.
She's watching.
I feel like Campa Cola is gonna have. People like it now, but
Yeah.
they will hate it later.
Yeah.
And then it'll have a resurgence.
What? Dude,
That's my
dude,
prediction
dude.
for
Did
how
you do
it's
an
gonna
MBA? How did you get all this done? You thought all of this?
Yeah, I am. Which one?
All of ABC is there by now.
ABC is still there. Okay. Calcutta, which is still called Calcutta. I
Yeah? How's
believe.
IIM Calcutta, dude?
Oh, it's beautiful, man. It's we're having a lot of fun. We eat a lot. We eat food together, and then we.
What is this?
That
the
sounds
darbar?
like fun.
I mean, it was fun when the emergency was not on. Now,
Yeah, fair enough.
now they're telling us we have to study from home. We're like, how do we do that? We don't have a facility to communicate on video.
But yeah, Mao's dead.
Mao's dead,
What's up
yeah.
with that?
What's up with Mao?
Mao.
Yeah. September.
Did you take a great leap forward into the other life?
Yeah. Now I'm thinking, what will happen to China, man? I think they'll become US.
They'll
Gone.
open up and
They'll
be
open
democratic.
up, then there'll be parties, and then
Chinese
It's
parties.
just gonna be one big party from now.
Yeah.
China, and the walls will collapse. And what else happened?
Yeah.
The Con-
Dude, I mean,
Concord has taken off. I'm sure it'll never
But
stop.
in between all, yeah, Concord, dude. I don't have the
Fastest planes ever, they're saying.
money. I have money only to like watch movies. I watched.
did you?
Hera Fairy. I watched.
Hera Fairy?
Yeah.
What?
There's a Hera Fairy.
In this year?
There is, yeah.
I
Acha.
guess.
Yeah.
This
the-
Amitabh Bachchan new guy, very good.
Yeah.
Angry young
Amitabh
man.
Bachchan, the angry young man, and he has amazing hair.
Yeah.
Which I feel like I hope he never loses that because
Never
that hair
loses
is
it.
awesome.
Never loses.
It's perfect.
One day I want to quiz him about his hairstyle, hair care routine.
What's the movie he's in recently, Amitabh?
Zanjeer.
Oh my god, fantastic in that. ये police
Perfect
station है
movie.
तुम्हारे बाप का घर नहीं.
Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
wow.
yeah, yeah,
Amazing. I do that line. I'll never forget it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's also
did you hear
very
it?
recent.
How can, yeah, I mean, it's within our year, 1976, I can't forget it for sure.
And then some hippie thing is happening.
Oh, there's some flower power and all this.
Oh,
Yeah.
You
You think they legalize stuff in this
legalize
country?
marijuana?
Come on.
No.
I
Maybe the
don't,
new guys when they come.
I'll tell you what, the New York of India, Delhi mein, to people will be using it. Nothing's
Yeah.
going to happen there.
But guys, I mean, I little busy. I have to go for hockey practice. I don't know if you know, I'm the team.
You're
I'm
in the team?
selection.
You're in the team.
Selection committee. So why you're going for
no,
practice?
I'm in the selection. Listen, like under 15.
Oh, you're under consideration.
under
for
consideration. Yeah.
You're under 15 right now?
Why are you talking to us,
man.
bro?
You look so much older, dude. I know in
It's the
seven-
emergency, dude.
It's the emergency. Dude, you have a medical emergency if you look this young.
There'll
No,
be a
but
movie.
I've just put all my energy into hockey, dude. It's
It's
1976.
the future, right?
We are killing
it's
it.
the past, present, and future.
Yeah,
of this
dude. I
country.
mean, where else? Like, what sport will you put your money in,
Yeah,
right?
man. Beautiful, dude. I wish you all the best.
Thank you,
Yeah,
thank
man.
you.
You're playing on grass, right?
Yeah, under 15. Yeah, playing on grass. They're talking about turf and all. There, dude, leaves
Dude,
that.
India, our skill on grass is unbeatable.
Unbelievable.
And since they can't take grass away,
Yeah.
how can we lose
Yeah.
our
Touch
strength
grass.
on
Yeah.
this?
What,
Touch
what
grass.
are you working on these days?
I
What do
am.
you do?
I'm thinking of making a trip to this new. This Bangladesh has come to us
Oh.
now.
Hey, you know,
It has
right?
come to us now. I was thinking, going checking it out someday.
Hey, you know someone from
it's
there, right?
lovely. Yeah, I know many people from there. People have crossed. People, yeah, who used to be living there and now they live here.
Yeah.
And,
Oh, yeah.
it's, I'm-
EP.
EP.
East Pakistan.
East Pakistan. Yeah,
Yeah.
It's not. We don't call it East Pakistan anymore, do we?
We,
Or do we?
71 was liberation.
Like,
yeah.
Oh yeah.
yeah, ab tak to hai,
Some
what do you
people are
call
still
it?
calling it, but
Yeah,
it's frowned
but
upon.
because we are more progressive.
Yeah.
exactly.
Already calling it
It's
Bangladesh.
nice.
Yeah, I think we got it. I think
See?
we've got a beautiful. We've captured a glimpse
Everything.
of the
We
year
started with
76.
emergency.
Yeah, and I think that's it. Thank you, Prashasti,
Yeah.
Thank
for
you,
coming
thank you,
on
guys.
this episode. We're going to release this maybe
In a month.
In a month?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe less than a month.
Yeah,
but,
less than a month, 3 weeks.
But if there's something in December types you want to plug, you can plug right now.
Guys, my video is out as we
Oh.
speak. Like I said,
Crazy.
when this comes out, you please go watch it on my YouTube channel.
Perfect,
Yes.
And,
perfect.
yeah, and then my London and US shows if you are watching from anywhere there in those geographies. Check out.
Nice, awesome. And we are on tour in India right now. Still just, number one country.
Oh, whoa.
Yes.
Yeah, and come watch us and please follow if you liked any of the episodes. We need some follows. We don't make these requests normally, but
Yeah.
sometimes we should because we're trying to get to what number are we trying to get to?
10K,
By,
10K by end of year.
okay, 10K by December 31st. If you get us there, then we will.
That's all.
We will.
We will
crash your party and kiss you.
Just have faith.
All right.
Oh yeah, hype
Hype the video.
There's
And
a-
if you have reached all the way till here, put hashtag spirituality.
Hashtag spirituality.
That's
if
right.
you watched till here. And if
All
you've
right.
not watched any other hashtag. Thank you so much.
See you.
Bye bye.